Hi, welcome to the concept library. Please watch the complete video. So this is again very good question. GATE Aerospace 2016 question number 25. I will read the question. The load factor of an aircraft turning at a constant altitude is 2. So load factor is 2. So first thing, what is load factor? So L by W, lift by weight ratio, is known as load factor and symbol we use N. Okay. The CL is coefficient of lift required for turning flight. See, turning flight. If you'll complete the topic, if you read the topic by NPTEL or from somewhere, you'll get the proper idea about turning flight. Turning flight is basically if this is the airplane, suppose this is the airplane, and so turning is like this. This is a turning flight. Okay. In case of turning flight, this is not pull up. I mean, airplane will not come up. It is not pull down. Airplane will not go down. Okay. Turning means if this is the airplane, if this is at same altitude, height will not change. It will turn either left or right. So during turn, your wing, I mean if this is the wing, these two are wings. Wings will not be in level. They will up and down. Okay, up and down, either this side or this side. I hope you are understanding what I am trying to say. Height will not change. This height will not change. Means this height, I am talking about this height will not change. Only wings will not be in level, right? Height of both the wings will be different. One will like this. I hope you got it. So that is the case of turning flight as compared to level flight. Level flight means wings will be in level, both side at the same speed. Speed is same, will be, they are asking. So you got it. What is load factor? Lift by weight is load factor, that is given as 2. And if in case of level flight, lift is equal to weight, correct? Means what? Your load factor L by W is equal to N, that is equal to 1. Why 1? Because lift and weight, they both are equal, right? Now when level flight is there, then lift is equal to weight. So lift formula is half rho V square as CL is equal to W. So from here you will find out CL value. So your CL will be W by half rho V square S, right? And in this case, what will happen? Half rho V square S CL we have to equate with 2W, right? Because your lift became 2 times of weight, correct? So this much part will go down. So CL is equal to 2 times of W by half rho V square S. So you see, you compare this CL with this CL. This CL is just W by this much, and this CL is 2 times of W by this much. So CL of turn, CLT I am saying, CL of turn is equal to 2 times of the previous CL, which is CL of level flight. So 2 times, so double. Option C is correct. Options were same, half and 4 times. These 3 options are wrong. This option is correct. I hope this is clear. Thank you. And you have to hit the like button. You have to comment your doubt. You have to comment about the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.